Good morning. Say good morning. Hi. You're so cute. You are so cute, yes you are. Hi. So it's about, I think it's about 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, and last night we went to Walmart, and I found these little clay things, and it's a box that makes 8 total clay mounts. And so we made 2 of them last night. It takes about 2 or so hours for it to dry, and I wish the box would have said that, because I'm thinking, you know, it's not gonna take that long, because my best friend came over last night with her daughter, and I was gonna let all the kids like make their own Play-Doh, I mean their own little thing. Get off of there. Get that make one and then paint them. But when we started to mix it and everything like that, like it literally took like 2.5 hours to make. But they are so cool. This is how they came out. So these, it only came with 2 modes, and then I made this one. And what I'm gonna do with this one is put all of our names in this one. So that'll just be my keepsake for my babies. But it came with 2 molds, and they're called stepping stones. This one with the sun and the bird, and then this one with the hearts and the sun. And they're really pretty, and they're really heavy too.
Let's see.
This one I would say is heavier though, but it's thick, and if you drop it, it's gone. It's gonna break. So I'm making some more right now, and they should be ready in a couple of hours. I just made them, so they're just now setting and stuff. And you want to kind of like give it a little bounce to make sure you're getting all the air bubbles out. And then this one, I kind of have it leveled on this, because if not, it'll tilt over. It's not made to sit on its own. So yeah, this one I don't really care if the air bubbles get in here. Yeah, I really don't care. But so I'm gonna let those dry. I'm gonna finish drinking my coffee, and I hope everybody out there is having a wonderful morning, a wonderful Saturday. We are gonna have some fun today. Ain't that right, mamas? Ain't that right? Ain't that right? We can have some fun today, huh? Say good morning. Say good morning. Hi. Hi, pretty baby. Tequila, stop. Get out of there. Hi. You can talk to me.
The heart and the sun.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
Daddy, can I put mine with the heart and the sun?
Yeah, you sure can.
Can I
What?
put mine first?
Not right now.
Until CJ can wake up.
Bub is still asleep.
We have to wait for him.
But I'm gonna let them paint these. I don't know, it's rainy outside. It's like ugly outside in a way.
It's like
I'm
really
gonna show you
wet.
guys. Yeah, it's rainy and stuff outside today, so see. And I mean, I don't know if it's cold or anything like that, so I just haven't been outside. But it's cold. It's definitely cold. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do today though.
Mom, was it too cold?
I don't know. I don't think I want to go down to my sister's house just because I don't feel like driving. I live about 45 minutes away from my sister, and I pretty much go down there all the time. We're pretty much down there all the time. But I don't think I want to drive down there today. So, yeah, we'll figure something out. But, yeah, I'm going to drink my coffee now. So, morning. You guys say good morning? You guys say good morning? No. He is not at all a morning person, you guys. If you wake him up, it's gonna be like World War III. I'm so serious. He's not a morning person at all. No, come here.
What's the problem? Problem is, I ran away.
I love you.
I just left that. Johnny.
You guys say good morning?
Thinking that is running.
Say good morning.
What you really want? The metal. I don't care about the big top. You do.
Say hi, Tink. You say hi. So we were gonna go over my aunt's house. We actually went over there. We were only there for like a second. TJ and Takala got like stomach virus or something like that. So we're gonna be in for the night. Not doing too much. I do want to stop at Walmart and probably possibly get like a board game that we could play and have a family night, since I won't take them around other people just because I don't want them to, you know, pass the virus on. I don't know if it is a virus, but they're both complaining of a tummy ache, and TJ has like the runs. I know TMI, but Takala hasn't, you know, she hasn't thrown up or anything like that, but they both have suffered from a fever. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word. A fever, and I've been given the medicine to maintain it. But, so yeah, so we're going to stay away from people. I was going to take them also to the bounce house, and that's not going to happen either because of them, you know, complaining of their stomach hurting and stuff like that. So we're going to run to Walmart real quick. I do. Hi, beautiful. Yeah, you talking. You talking. Oops, sorry, doodles. I think I'm gonna get nope, because that's not the right appropriate age. Her sick butt. I don't like that.
That looks awesome. Mouse trap.
Yes, baby. Yes, babe. Yeah.
Look, Mommy, family feeding.
What do you say?
Look, Mommy, family feeding.
I know, but you guys aren't big enough for that, baby.
I don't even know what it goes.
What's wrong? Huh? That's not what we're here to get, baby. We're here to get a game for all of us to play, okay? What about this? 5 seconds? Nope. What about Connect 4?
Connect? We're not playing that.
What about... That's not what we're... That's not the game that we're getting, baby.
What about Paw Patrol?
What about Paw Patrol?
That's cool.
Pups
There's no big deal.
in training.
Yeah. No, dude. No, that ain't no big deal, bro.
What about
Paw Patrol.
no cry. You no cry. What's wrong? What's wrong? Her no cry. Oh, look at her, so fussy. Her so fussy. That's the one that we want to get, I believe. Oh, goodness. Her won't be a part of game night. You ready? You ready on the night? Okay. 3 games we ended up getting. Shoots and ladders.
Shoots and ladders.
Don't break the ice. And hungry, hungry hippo.
Bubble. And what is this called?
I still have to put Missy to bed. I tried to lay her down and those eyes popped right open. So I gotta let her fall asleep, get into a little deep sleep. And then give her a bath in the morning. And then get some jammies on, all of us, and get all chillaxed. Please turn that off. Please turn that off. Turn it off. That movie. And yeah, we're gonna have game night. Are you excited about game night?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Game night!
It's what night?
Time!
Game night. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to make dinner. I got the kids a bath, and Talia, she fell asleep for like maybe 10 minutes, which allowed me to put my dishes away at least. And I'm right now, I think I want to put some more spinach in there. We're having this for dinner, this Bertolli classic chicken flortine and Pharrell, I believe. This little dinner right here. I'm sure you've seen it in your like local grocery store. And what I did, well, what I'm doing is I'm adding extra chicken with my seasoning and some extra spinach. And I think I want to add just a little bit more. So I'm frying that up. I cooked the chicken all the way through and then added the spinach. I thought I added a lot, but I didn't. So I'm going to add some more spinach to that just because I want a little bit more. I'm sure that they only gave you a little bit inside of the bag, so, which is cool. But I just want to, you know, have me and my kids get our green vegetables in. So I'm going to finish cooking that, and then we're going to eat dinner, and then we're going to play board games. So this is what it looks like all done. And I haven't tasted it yet, but I'm super excited. But that's what it looks like all done. like the ice cubes.
Wait, why are the ice cubes on?